Because you're not doing what you're told to do. Close the door. Close the door.
Oh my God.
Because you just ran from me, that's why.
No, I didn't run from you.
Well, you didn't stop when I told you to stop. Yeah, we're stopped. She just thinks she needs to go to work instead of stopping for me.
No, I was trying to get out of the road. You were parked behind me and you turned your lights on in the middle of the damn road, so I turned here and came and parked.
Driver's
Don't you dare
license,
try to
please.
pull that.
Why did you not stop back there when we got off the road? Ma'am, give me the driver's license now. Get out of the car. 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 You are under arrest. You are under arrest.
Give me a chance. No, I am not.
You're still bracing intention. Stop.
You're fucking grabbing on me, you fucking criminals. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Do not twist my hand like that. I'm telling you. Do not fucking twist my hand like that. You're really going to have an issue.
Yeah.
Are you serious right now? You know what?
Put your hand on your back. Put your
No,
hand.
Stop resisting. Stop. 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 Stop.
I
Stop.
am not resisting arrest.
Stop. Yes, you are.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I was not resisting arrest. Are you serious? I'm going to call my supervisor so I can let her know that I'm out.
Stop.
What are you talking about?
You're twisting my arm.
Nobody's twisting anything.
Yes, you are.
My camera is pointed right at the handcuffs right now.
That is
Clear to see what's happening.
So what, you wanted me to let you pull me over and I'm supposed to get out in the middle of a busy road? That makes no sense. I turned right in here and parked. You do not have that right.
Dang it, Paul. We need a cruiser, please.
You do not have that right.
Well, I do.
You do not.
Because you had not cooperated with me from the beginning.
You put your lights on back there. I turned into
that's the
here
point.
so I can get out of the road. I know my rights, so you
Your
don't
rights
have the
right now
right
is
to
to
say
face the
that I
point.
cannot call someone.
Back
I
there,
didn't
when we
see
turned off
you
the road.
stop until we got right here at the turning.
Whoa. No. That's not what you just said. You just said you saw my lights in the middle of the road. Maybe we wouldn't be here right now, but no matter what, you got to stop.
I would never run from the police. I have no reason to
You
run.
rolled down your window and looked at me.
Because I said, can I turn into here? I'm late for work. That's what I was trying to tell you.
And I said, don't. I said, stop.
They've never had an issue with that.
We're a block away from
They've
where
never had. You're a liar. You're a liar. I'm done talking with you because you're fucking lying.
You're
You're a
5th Street,
fucking liar.
4th
Didn't I
Street.
just say I'm done talking to you? Shut the fuck up.
You're the one still
I'm done
talking.
to you. I was gonna stop. I was getting out of the road. I've been pulled over before. They've never had an issue with me pulling out of the middle of the street. I'm done talking to you. Don't pull on me.
Don't pull away.
I told you, don't ever pull on me. You don't have that right. If you're gonna take me to jail, take me to jail. I'm done talking. Well, that's fine then. So don't worry about that.
License in your purse.
You don't control me. You're a cop. You're a cop that I pay. You're a cop that I pay. So chill out.
Okay.
Now you're pissing me off.
Do you have your ID somewhere?
Do not touch my belongings.
Is your driver's license in your purse?
You do not have the right to touch my
You are under arrest at this point. We have the right to search your car, incident to arrest.
My belongings.
Plus, we got to ID you. Walk.
I do not trust you guys. You guys are armed.
Walk.
You may try to put some drugs in your purse. Do not grab on me.
Face the car.
You do not have the right to
Are
touch
you
my
going to
belongings.
provide your
You
identification?
do not have the right to touch my
Don't
belongings.
pull away.
I'm not.
He's over there working. Don't go towards him.
This is ridiculous. I'm gonna lose my.
Don't. What are you doing? Then tell me so we can talk about things and move on.
You don't want to talk about anything. You want to arrest people. That's
Well, you
what
are
you want to do. Follow directions. You want me to follow directions?
I do not follow your directions.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
You follow
I don't follow your
mine.
directions.
That is why you are under
I don't
arrest right
follow
now.
your direction. Pathetic. You're pathetic. All these people out here needing help, and this is what you guys are doing with your time.
Is your license valid? I'm asking you a question. Valid, 5429. Which makes it a cruiser.
In front of my job.
Well, if you'd stopped on 4th Street, we would be in front of you.
Like, these people are insane.
Alright, we're going to walk over this prison. Right over here, officer.
I did a pat.
You close up my stuff.
We will. We'll take care of your property.
We will. I need you to
We'll
walk.
take care of your property. Come on.
Thank you, sir. For I already told him for
Obstruction. Obstruction.
Why am I being arrested, though?
I'll let him explain that to you. I don't know.
Because I was not resisting arrest.
Let him explain that to you.
Because this is crazy now. Like, this is just too much. So, like, you guys are supposed to be here to protect and serve, but none of you guys even care about the truth.
Well,
Y'all just come and y'all just, it's like y'all are gang members that just support.
Ma'am, you said you want to talk to a supervisor?
Yes, because I don't know why I'm being arrested. I was not fleeing. When I originally seen his lights, I was right here in the middle of the turning thing. So I turned in here. I'm telling him, call my manager and tell her, like, I'm here, I'm outside, like, you're resisting. It's like, it's just not fair. Y'all just gang up on us. Nobody listens. Nobody likes the truth. And it's like, I don't.
You have to respect that when the officer is giving you instructions, you have to follow. Let me finish. You have to follow his instructions. So when he's telling you,
I was not resisting arrest or whatever he's trying to say, obstruction, whatever. I don't know.
okay,
That was not the the thing.
okay.
This is insane. This is insane.
Right.
Now I'm gonna lose my job. Like I cannot go to jail. I need to go in here and go to work.
Okay.
And I don't be like out here like I'm some type of killer. Look how y'all, like, all y'all out here, all of these out here in front of my job. Like, that's insane, man. Y'all don't even think about that.
Okay.
Cause y'all the real thugs and criminals. They do not have the right to rummage through my stuff. They are to get out of my car now.
Under arrest.
I'm not under arrest. Y'all under arrest. I'm not under arrest. I'm finna get so pissed off. I'm finna get so pissed off. Stop rummaging through my shit. You do not have the right to rummage through my stuff. And not that fake ass security guard that was on the scene. Not his fake ass. Well, like he want to be a supervisor, because I want to challenge all y'all. Because obstructing, can you explain what obstructing is?
16 bro.
Yeah, how can I take this to trial?
Yes, please.
Yeah, matter of fact, call somebody out here because I want to challenge that officer. I'm going to challenge all y'all, actually.
The date was October 5th, 2025, and at 10 a.m., a high-speed pursuit shattered the morning calm. It began when an officer clocked a sedan flying at 64 miles per hour in a 35-mile-per-hour zone, weaving through traffic and using the painted median to illegally pass other drivers. When the sirens wailed, the driver initially pulled over, but then suddenly sped away. It took multiple verbal orders over the PA system before she finally came to a halt. The situation immediately turned volatile as the driver jumped out of her car, ignoring commands to stay inside. "I was just trying to get off the road," she yelled, claiming she never heard the orders to stop. As the officer moved to detain her for the reckless flight, a physical struggle ensued. Despite her cries that she knew her rights and was only worried about being late for work, her resistance led to charges of obstruction and resisting arrest. Subscribe for more videos and get the latest deep dives into the archives of Bodycam reel files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.